It's Bank Holiday Monday and we are taking the van out on its first official outing as a camper van. We are by Ogmore by Sea. And there it is, Ogmore by Sea. Myra's tried to hide the cameras. So here I am. I'm boiling my first kettle. I know it's a small thing, but it's a little milestone. Using water from the tap from home, just a bit of bottled water, but we have got water on board on the van, and it's now. We brought a little bit of food with us. Myra's going to cook up a little bit later on. We did park with plenty of space beside us, and this car is parked right next to us, but there we are. Learn by experience. Probably got to leave a space that's not quite big enough for a car, but is big enough to get yourself in and out. But the weather is beautiful today, and Myra's having a little sit down at the front there. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, she's somewhere down there underneath the front of the van. And this is the view today. It is absolutely lovely. A little bit windy, not hot, but warm, and it's all good. Okay, so this is the final video for at least a week, possibly for a couple of weeks, because soon I am off to Macedonia to work on a mission there with the church, and this is the side door. So what I've decided to do on the side door was paint it green to match it with the rest of the thing. And then down on the bottom there, I've recycled the old panel that was on the van when I first bought it, and I've covered it in carpet to make it nice and tidy. So basically, in terms of structural things in the van, everything is now pretty much completed. We've still got some ideas to do, what to do over on this side here for some storage, and so that's to be done. But basically, as you can see, the van is completed over here, all the way down. I've run a little cable now from down there up to the alarm system, because I was running off batteries, but the batteries don't last very long, and so really I only need the alarm to be working when I'm out with the van, and when I'm out with the van the electricity will be on, and so we're running off a USB cable. So walking ourselves down the van here, we've now added a fire blanket. I've got to get a fire extinguisher. I'm going to get a small fire extinguisher for the van just to make it safe. We started to add things like little jars on the side here, and boards here. I've added a little bit of wood here, which I'll probably paint over at some point, just so that now when we put things into this little section, they can't fall out because they have got a lip in front of there. And in the back of the van, you've already seen before, is completed, and now Myra has put curtains over the little storage areas just to make it all a little bit tidy. The ladder has got straps to hold it in position so they don't move, so it doesn't move around when the van is in motion. The back window curtains are done. We've still got to work out what to do over these little windows here, so that they will be blackened off at night, but I'm guessing that'll probably be some sort of Velcro system with a small little black curtain over the top of those. And then probably we'll have some sort of curtain running across the van at the front here as well to make it dark at night time. But those are things to be worked on. Probably the next video will be us taking the van out on an overnight trip to see if it works okay. And I've also got to do a little bit of work on the outside of the van in terms of vinyls, pictures on the outside to make it look more like a van, which they seem to like when you register the van, and also to do a little bit of work on some outside rust. There's not a lot there, but I haven't done any work on that yet, so I'm going to treat that to make sure that it is all nice and tidy.